Water for life. We know that 2/3 of our Earth is covered with water, but only 3% of the water is fresh water. Most of this fresh water is frozen in the form of glaciers and ice caps. Only 0.3% of fresh water is found in rivers, lakes and streams. Thus, very little water is available for our use. Sources of water. We get water from different sources. Rain is the main source of water. The other sources of water are lakes, ponds, streams, rivers, seas and oceans. In older days, people had to walk long distances to fetch water. To take a bath and wash clothes, they used water from nearby ponds, lakes or rivers. Underground water. The water under the Earth's surface is called underground water. This water can be drawn out in different ways. Wells. Wells differ greatly in depth, the amount of water and water quality. A pulley is used to lift water from a well using a bucket that is tied to a string. The string goes around the groove of the pulley to make the bucket go deep in the well and then come up again. Tube wells. When the water is found deep under the ground, a tube well is the best method to draw out the water. The bore is dug deep and pipes are sunk in it. The water is brought out through these pipes using an electric pump. Hand pumps. A hand pump is used to take out underground water. Nowadays, we have electric pumps to pull up the groundwater. Public water supply system. The public water supply system supplies water through pipes to all the houses. The water from the water bodies is collected, purified by different processes and then supplied through pipes to our houses. Community services. In many villages and even in cities, people serve free water on the roadsides. This is called Piao. Some people organize free water camps to provide drinking water to the people. Irrigation. Irrigation means supplying water to the crops. In India, most of the farmers rely on rains for irrigation. But it is not possible to depend on rains throughout the year. So, artificial means are used to water the crops. Different crops require different amounts of water. For example, paddy requires plenty of water, millet do not require much water, and wheat requires a moderate amount of water. Crops like sugarcane, rubber and tea require very little water. Devices used for irrigation. Crops are irrigated by different means like wells, tube wells, canals and tanks. Some of the devices used for irrigation are discussed below. Sprinklers. The sprinkler system is a very good method of irrigating field because by this method, water is distributed through the pipes at regular intervals. Water gets sprayed all over like the rain. Persian wheel. A Persian wheel has a large wheel mounted vertically on a horizontal axis. A number of buckets are arranged on its rim. When the wheel rotates, the buckets lift the water. The water from the buckets falls on the other side and is directed to irrigate the fields. Water pump. A water pump is an electric pump that is used to draw underground water which is directed into water channels to irrigate the fields.